Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable a fingerprint lock only for your WhatsApp, and that's help to hide your top secrets from any other except the owner of your phone. Okay, now we'll start. Open your WhatsApp and click on the three vertical dots at the top of your right hand side. Then go to the settings and click on account. Next, click on privacy and you can see an option called fingerprint lock at right bottom. Then click on it. Then click on unlock with fingerprint. And now you can see a confirmation message to confirm that your given fingerprint is correct or not. It means if you are currently using the fingerprint lock to unlock your phone or to unlock another apps using any app lock, you have to use the same fingerprint here. Okay, now I place my finger on the fingerprint sensor at the back of my phone and it confirmed. Okay, now you just enable the fingerprint lock and you have three options to select the time duration that your WhatsApp to get automatically locked. First option is immediately. If you click on it, it automatically locks your WhatsApp after you come back to the home screen. And the second option is after 1 minute. If you click on it, it automatically locks your WhatsApp after a passage of 1 minute. During that minute, you have to place your finger at the sensor to unlock your WhatsApp. And the final option is after 30 minutes. It has the same procedure as the previous option, and during 30 minutes, you have to confirm your fingerprint. Okay guys, there is one more thing, that is show content in notifications. If you tick on it, anyone can see your secret messages as a notification. So I just untick it and tick on immediately. Then we'll see what's happened. I go back and come to the home screen, and then I'll open WhatsApp. Okay, here's the message I got from WhatsApp, and now I just have to place my finger on the sensor and it will automatically unlock. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and subscribe Athula Widanagamage YouTube channel. Click on bell icon and select all. Have a nice day.